In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a panel chart in Excel. A panel chart, sometimes called a set of small multiples, lets you compare the same measure across different categories using a consistent layout and shared scales. We'll start by creating the base chart you'll reuse across panels, keeping things simple and clean so it's easy to duplicate and align later. Begin by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to select the complete block of cells you plan to plot. Include the column headers so Excel can recognize series names and axis labels automatically. Make sure your X values are numeric, such as numbers or dates, and your Y values are the measurements you want to compare. Avoid including totals, subtotals, or blank rows in the selection, because those can distort the chart. If your data for X and Y are in separate, non-adjacent columns, you can hold the Control or Command key to select both ranges so Excel understands they belong together. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. This is where all the charting tools live. You'll see a group labeled Charts with several options. We're going to choose a chart type that treats the X-axis as a true numeric scale, which is important for accuracy and consistency when you build multiple panels. Click the scatter chart icon. Even if you're plotting a time series, a scatter chart ensures Excel positions points based on their actual numeric X values, not just evenly spaced categories. This helps maintain consistent axis scales across the panels you'll create later and avoids misleading visuals. From the scatter options, choose Scatter with Smooth Lines. This variant connects your data points in a way that's easy to read in compact spaces, which is perfect for panel layouts. Smooth lines help reveal the overall pattern while minimizing visual noise. If your data is dense, a smooth line often looks cleaner than a line with markers, and it keeps the focus on trends rather than individual points. Excel will insert the chart right on your sheet. You've now built the foundation for a panel chart. A clear, accurate plot that uses a numeric X-axis and a readable line style. From here, you can replicate this chart for each category. Ensure the axes use consistent scales and arrange them in a tidy grid so comparisons are effortless. If anything looks off, double-check that your selection included headers, that the X column is numeric, and that there aren't any blanks or text values mixed into your numbers. That's it. Your base for a polished panel chart is ready.